to my channel. So in today's video we will see how we can reuse same form for the edit, view and new mode. Okay, so in today's video what we can do here. So in the gallery, okay, this is the gallery. We will just provide the edit and view icon. Okay, edit and view icon. If you click on the edit, then this form will be switch to edit mode. If you click on the view, then this form should be switched to view mode. And in my previous video I explained about how we can reuse the same form for the edit and view mode, right? So yeah, in the today's video I will just explain you this form we can use for edit, view and new mode. Okay, all these three modes I will just explain you. So how we can do that? So first of all, we need to select this gallery. Okay, once the gallery is selected, we need to just click on this edit icon. This is the edit gallery. Okay, then we need to navigate to this insert. Okay, at the top of the power apps. Okay, we need to click on the insert. I will just search for edit. Edit means we will select this pencil icon. Okay, I will just select this pencil icon. Yeah, so this is added. Okay, I will just resize this one and change the position. Actually this width and height is 64, so I will just change this to 40 only. Okay, height and width will be same. Yeah, once this is done, so on for switching to this form in the edit mode, what we can do here, we can just go to advanced property, then select the advanced on select property. And on select property I will just remove this formula and I will just add the formula like edit form. Okay, edit form, and this form mode is, we will just see whether form mode is form 2. So I will select form 2. Yeah, so in this way we will switch this form to edit mode. I will just change this icon color to black color. Okay, I will change this to black. Yeah, it is changed to black. Then again we need to add the view icon. So I will again select the gallery. I will again click on the pencil icon. I will again go to insert section of the power apps. Then I will select here for the search for the view. Okay, view means this is the eye icon is there. Okay, so I will just select this one. Yeah, once that is selected, you can see it is added to our gallery. Okay, again we will resize this eye icon as well. So here width and height should be same, that is a 64, so I will change to 40, both the height and width. Okay, once this is done, I will just redesign this one. This is the eye icon, this is the plus icon. Okay, so yeah, similarly we on select property of this edit icon, we added the formula like edit form and form name is true. Then similarly we will do for this eye icon, but I will change this color again to the black. This is a blue color, so I will change this to black. Yeah, it is changed to black. Then I will go to advanced property, and again and in the advanced property I will select the on select property. On select property I will remove this formula and I will add the formula such as form view form. Okay, and I will give the form name as a form 2. Okay, so yeah, I will just save these changes. Okay, so once this is done, I will just show you how we can. I will click on edit. See, I will click on edit. This form is in the edit mode. So okay, I will again click on, I want to see this form in the view mode, so I will just click on view. Okay, now you can see this is form is switched to view mode. I will again click on edit view. Okay, if you want if you want to switch this form to new mode, you can just click on this plus icon for adding the uh, heading to new mode. Okay, so in this way we can just reuse the same form for the edit, new and view mode. Okay, so I will just provide this form link, that is with this video link, which is a gallery connected form with the gallery. So okay, gallery connected form. And yeah, and you can just go through my video and you can just see. So yeah, thank you so much for watching my video. We will see you next time. Bye bye.